First of all, Happy New Year everyone, and I'm going to begin 2021 by solving a lot of puzzles. So let's begin. So yeah, that is definitely a lot of puzzles to solve. So let's scramble them. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of regret this already. So let's just not waste any time and begin. And boy do I have some horrible 3x3s. After this one my hands are already hurting and I just started. And this 3x3 is so bad that it is literally slowly breaking as I'm turning it. You can see like just tiny bits of plastic coming out of it as I'm turning it. So I already solved quite many puzzles, and I don't even want to know how long this is taking. But as you can see, there are still many left, and most of them are like really difficult ones, or just ones that take a lot of time. So let's keep going. The Sudoku cube is definitely where I had a lot of troubles, and it was just confusing. My mini Siamese cube just decided to break, so I had to move away from that. Yeah, here we go. My hands are dying. The ghost cube took a very long time to solve, and for some reason one of the center caps just kept popping off. The 3x3 in a jar was really difficult to solve because, as you can see here, it is very hard to turn it, so that just took so much effort. And it's not even like scrambled a lot, but it still took a lot of time. So there are only two more cubes left, the 9x9 and the 10x10, which are probably gonna take me the most time. we are done with the 9x9, and there's only the 10x10 left, which is going to take me about an hour, so let's just do it. And we're done with the centers. We're getting close. Here are the last moves. And I'm done, yeah. I finished solving all of them, finally. I solved what should be like 88 puzzles. I don't even want to know how long this took me, but I know that like the 9x9 and the 10x10 alone took like 1.5 hours to do, so this definitely took a lot of time. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'm gonna go sleep for 22 hours straight.